I want you to take a minute and just imagine what your life would look like if you were making $10, $20, $30,000 a month or more, all from the comfort of your own home, only working 2 to 3 hours a day, right? What would you do? What would you do with all that extra time and money? You know, that's great money, but let's be real. The reason why people want money is for the time freedom. You know, here I am taking a walk down by the river because I got nothing else better to do, right? I've already done my work for the day, a couple hours of work, and I get to do what I want. So here I am walking down by the river. But what would you do? What would you do with all that extra free time? If you want a way to start making $10, $20, $30,000 more a month, all you got to do is click on the button below this video, create a free membership, guys, and I'm going to show you my 3-step process that I've used as well as some of my students to start making 10, 20, 30,000 or more each and every month, all from the comfort of their own home, just using their phone and a computer, right? If you're down for that, just click on the button below this video and we'll see you guys on the inside.